Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in Barcelona and we're up early and having breakfast with the entire squad. Look at them. Guys, say good morning. Sarah, say good morning. Alright, so let's go have some breakfast. Sarah, come with me so we choose what you're having for breakfast. Come on.
Yes. Even if I already choose, I come with you.
No, stay. You stay.
Yeah.
Come. Take a plate. Come. Take a plate. You hold your plate and Mama will put what you want in it, okay? So we have a variety of things on breakfast. You want to see what's in here? Whoa.
Yeah, what?
There are eggs.
I want.
You want sausages? Don't touch. Tell me what you want. You want sausages?
Yes.
Okay.
Put it that.
Hold on.
What?
Hot chocolate. Don't touch it. I'm making the hot chocolate for you. Yes? I don't bring it yet. Tell Papa to give you that one. That's okay. That's normal. You go to Papa. Hold your plate properly. Look where you're walking. Go on. Go to Papa. Wait. Stop. Let Papa put the confiture on the bread for you, okay? Okay, Sarah? Look at this dog. He's huge. Sarah. Another day, another adventure. Come, princess. Come. You're looking at the dog? Another day, another adventure. Don't know where we're heading right now. I'm just following my personal tour guide. Wherever he says where to go, that's where we're heading.
We're going to the Sagrada Familia.
Wherever that is. 2 tour guides. 1, 2. Wherever they say, the girls just follow, right, Sarah? We're just following the boys?
Yes.
Anyway, you guys, we're pumped as usual. Adventure, we're ready. So I'll just take you guys along wherever we end up today. That's what you're gonna say. So let's go discover day 2. Peace. You love to show them you're here, huh? She's so girly girl. Let's show them a big turn of your outfit. Stay right there. Stay there. Turn. Spin. Ooh, pretty. All right, let's go. Come on. We have the metro station going through. Go. Stop right there. When it opens, you go through. Go. What happened with it? What it says?
It's like I refill, but I don't see it.
So say something to somebody. It's only babe alone can tell you what is it.
Me
Like
too,
a
I can say.
Tyler, what is it, Ty?
Well, name Sagrada Familia.
He's proud of telling you guys that. Don't play with Tyler, this is true, okay? It's like his papa. Alright, let's go around. See if we can better see. You guys, there's KFC here. There's quite a few KFC. And guess what about the KFC here?
And it's
The
closed.
KFC, Tyler said closed, but the KFC here have pieces of chicken like Thai breast wing, like Jamaica, unlike France that doesn't have that. So, you know, I'm looking forward to trying the KFC I want to try, this is my aim. My aim is to try the KFC of every country I go to compare what the KFC in each country tastes like. So now I'm in Spain and I want to try the KFC in Spain. So let's do it, shall we? Maybe not right now. Maybe. What do you say? I hope it's terrible. What a terrible purpose? To compare it? No, that's good actually. Babe said it's a terrible purpose. And because it's a very touristic site, of course there's a lot of people. Wow, that's beautiful. Sarah, Vicky, is the Sarah scoping out the doves to run after them? Look at her. What are you doing? You're looking at the pigeon? I told you that's what she was doing. The poor pigeon. We're on the opposite side. It's like we're walking around it, and the more you go around it, the more you see a better view of each angle.
Yeah, this side you can see more than these architecture.
Yeah.
See the cross, big, tall.
Like why rouge le bas?
See en gris.
Ah ouais. Je l'avais pas vu.
Hi guys, so I wanted to try KFC in Barcelona since I got here. I'll finally get to try it. And I must say, I was hoping that they have the option of spicy chicken in the parts, but they don't. They have the original, but it tastes just like the original in Jamaica. If they had spicy, I think it would be similar because the spicy wings here is almost identical to the spicy wings in Jamaica. So I'll give them a pass on this one. It is good. I didn't get thigh like I was hoping. I get breast wing and a leg. And I hate breast, so I had to give it away. But the KFC here, I get a solid 8 out of 10. The different type of people that you have on vacation. You have people like these two that are the GPS and the map boys and that are here for the history. And then, yes, you have people like these two that's here for the photos and the good time and just follow the GPS. Wherever it takes us, we shall go. Especially this one is here for the photo. Look at her. My squad all day. We've made it to the aquarium. We made it. Sarah, we made it. She's excited.
Des poissons qui sont là, trop mignons.
Ty, this boy and the ugly frog. Oh, we can't even go close to it. And Sarah and the turtle. Hold on, go back on the frog. This man is here telling my daughter that this is umbrellas. Can you imagine? Poor Sarah, I believe. The jellyfish.
She said that back at school.
Why do I think that we're missing? I swear somebody slapped this fish in his head top for being naughty. He's not cute.
Mama's scared.
You guys, I want you guys to see under the bottom of the stingray. It literally looks like a person's face.
Hello.
I want to wait until there's one passing over my head face. It looks like a face. They're in a submarine.
That's a job. Anyway, but at the same time, when you go there for 3 months, you can't go. You have to be working submarine for 3 months.
Oh my gosh. Sarah! Sarah, look at this one.
This is the shark that's fascinating.
Go, 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 go. Avance un peu, s'il te plaît.
Au milieu?
Mais il y a deux.
Non, mais au milieu, là, plus gros. Mais oui, regarde là-bas, on dirait ça les notes là-bas, tu le vois. Je crois les gros, ils restent au milieu. Ils n'ont pas envie de... Bah oui, ça devrait. Il dort. Ça bouge.
Ah!
Regarde,
Regarde, ça bouge. Ça bouge.
les regards direct.
Regarde comme il est grand.
Guys, look!
On dirait presque ça. Il bouge pas.
Sleeping.
Look, that one. Look, that one. A Dory with yellow. It's Dory with yellow.
No Shortland. I want him to get on my plate. On my plate. Okay, get on my plate. So you guys, we are at a Sarah says she want iced tea.
You want something to drink?
Me? No, I need to force myself to drink water. I haven't drank no water in 2 days. You guys didn't hear that. I struggle to drink water immensely.
Hey, Mama.
We ate here yesterday where we were passing, and it was so good we had to come back today. So today we come back and we're eating here.
She said 7. For like this. One spicy.
That's okay. Papa took one without spicy.
One without spicy. 6. No, you can choose whatever.
That's okay. Sarah said she wants iced tea, yeah? That's okay, Tyler. We'll see when it comes. So we are at...
I know, plus the bacon.
Okay.
What you want?
She wants iced tea.
What you want?
Pepsi, 0.
Okay. So you go for it.
You're there.
Yeah, but I don't know which one you want. So you come and choose, Tyler.
What's the name of this place? I'll have to tell you guys the name of this place. It name Argentina Empanadas. That's the name of this place. And if you ever visit Barcelona, it's absolutely delicious. So if you're in Barcelona, it's a nice place to come for empanadas. It won't fail you. Yes, babe.
There's another place, small private there if you want.
That way? Really?
Just here. It's similar.
Cheers.
Yeah, it's similar.
That's fine, we'll stay here. Anyway, you guys, so we're gonna eat and head to the hotel. I'm tired. I'm very tired. My
You can
feet
take the thing
hurt.
for Sarah. Oh, that's which one you want, Sarah?
Anyway, guys, we're gonna eat. Let me show you the empanadas first, though.
I'm gonna ask if they have a straw.
My hair! My hair! Mama, can you hold my hair? My hair!
No, the spider to catch you.
My hair!
So take it off, Ty. They have decoration for Halloween. He's so hilarious. It's going in his hair.
Go on the water bottle.
It's a struggle.
Mine?
Sarah,
Mostly this one.
yummy.
Yes. This one is okay, but this one touch it. Touch it, Mama.
I'm eating the ham and cheese, and then I have a spicy beef. Which one are you having?
Ham and cheese. Ham and cheese.
What you're having?
This is the bacon and cheese.
Okay. And the other one?
Is beef, not spicy.
How is the bacon?
It's good.
Okay.
I won't really make no difference much.
You want to taste?
Use